Got Steve Mannenbach back in the house tonight. Today I want to talk about mortgage leads. In particular, I want to talk about VA loan leads. All right. So if you're working with any veterans or anybody in the reserve, and you want to meet more of them, so you can do refinance leads, cash out refi leads, or home purchase leads, then this video will pertain to you. So any mortgage brokers out there looking to get more VA loan leads, this is especially going to be important for your business, all right? So let's shrink me down a little bit, and we'll hop into my app. All right, this is for Sun Street Mortgage, one of the loan officers there here in Arizona. So right here, I pulled up a couple recent days where you can see kind of the ad stats. So I'm using a paratrooper video in this one, targeting certain military targeting options. I don't want to get too far into that. Actually, I'll show you a little bit of it. Women 55 and older on that one. This is another one, some type of video I'm using, targeting men between the ages of 45 to 64. The age ranges really matter a lot. You usually want to target people, in the older age ranges when you're doing VA loan leads, okay? Because obviously you have to be older to own a home, and so it's going to be more likely you own a home if you're older, and more likely you'll want to refinance it in that case. Or maybe they want cash out to refinance it, right? So you can actually write an ad in a more general way to apply to both refinancing, cash out refinancing, or just a straight purchase. Just depends on how you want to word the ad, right? So let's take a look just at this one, the better one. So vets in home is a category. Again, you have the women there. Let me get my face back on top. You don't want to miss out on that, right? Floated on top. All right, so I got the page up here, and then daily budget only $5 a day at at $6 a lead. He can expect to get at least one lead every day, which is good. Over here, you see a reach of only 20,000 people. That is because we're only targeting the state of Arizona and these age ranges that are women. Also, you want to make sure you select English speaking, right? You don't want to get somebody who speaks Spanish. If you can't talk to them, that's going to be no good. And then down further, you can see some of the other options. Maybe people that are interested in USAA, they're probably going to be interested in a VA loan, right? And there's actually a category that says VA loan right there. So, it says what people who have expressed interest or like page related to VA loan. So that's right in your target market right there. And then another cool thing you can do is you can exclude people, right? So I exclude any real estate agents or mortgage brokers because they might like pages related to this as well, and we don't want to waste our ad spend on them. So I have those all excluded. Further down, you added the placements. Where do you want your ads to appear? Do you want them to appear on Facebook? Do you want them to appear on Instagram? Both. What parts in the feed? Do you want them in the stories? Where do you want them to appear? I'll go that far down. I don't want to show you any more than that because you got to hire me if you want the real skills. But that's about all I got as far as the targeting. So now, oops, almost messed up there. Now we want to go and look at the ad level. All right, so here we are on the ad level. We've got the Facebook, Instagram pages right here. And then you can kind of see where I wrote something out. Want a copy of a free ebook? So an ebook is like a lead magnet, right? You got to give them something to get their information in return. I guess you could also say to see if you qualify and take them to a list of a bunch of questions, like some type of form fill. But I like offering some type of e-guide, ebook. So this one talks about using their VA home loan benefit, and it lists some of the benefits. And I also put a number of ebooks on there. Even though I know there's as many ebooks as they want, I like to create scarcity in people's minds, and I've used this type of format before. It works fine, right? Call to action again at the end, CTA. Click Learn More to get your free ebook. All right, that's probably enough right here. Oh, also important for mortgage brokers, make sure that you include this part right here, right? Your name, NMLS ID number, sponsoring entity, their NMLS ID, and the address, okay? That way you're compliant. Now we'll go look at the ad itself. All right, so here you go. I'm just gonna move this over here, and you can kind of see what it looks like. There's a little paratrooper video. I use a paratrooper video because it grabs your attention, right? I'm scrolling through, all of a sudden, I see people just jumping out of an airplane. It's gonna make me stop and watch what's going on with this. And it's kind of exciting to watch, right? I don't know if I got, oh yeah, look, 50 reactions. What's that got to do with skydiving? Well, it grabbed your attention, didn't it? 10 shares, 3.6 thousand views already. So obviously it's working. It's a good video. Any type of paratrooper, extreme military type videos are good to use for any type of VA loan lead, okay? But I think that covers what I wanted to say for this video. Just a quick little one. And then if you want to link up, you know, the leads, the lead notifications, you got to go into Zapier to do that. In Zapier, I do have, see if I pull this up really quick for you just to take a look. If it's not great, then we won't do it. We'll go in. This is a marketing automation tool. So if you want to have all your leads sent to you to your phone, text it to your phone, you can use Twilio. You can attach it as another Zap or within a string of Zaps. So we'll go to my Zaps. Let's take a look at the little string of Zaps I set up for Mr. Danny Plattner, Sun Street Mortgage, right here. General VA loan, see? All right, so we're gonna go in here real quick. Just want to show you how you actually get the lead from Facebook. All right, so you set up a trigger in Zapier that will pull the lead from Facebook. Okay, once it pulls it, I have it dropped into a spreadsheet. I have it then put into an email notification that goes to your inbox. I also have you receive a text message to your cell phone with all the information that they just filled out, so you can call them on the spot. Right, it's really immediate. I'm not going to show how to do all of that. Again, that's why you need to hire somebody like me to come in and make sure it's done right. But that should cover it for now. Hit me up. Give me a call, 503-551-8690 if you want me to do it for you. I'm also going to probably be releasing a training program that I'm going to charge for here sometime in the next few weeks. And then if you want to email me, my email is steve@wildermarketing.com. That's WYLDER marketing.com. All right, guys. See you soon.